Welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and I feel excited today. How are you doing, Paul?
I'm doing great, Emily. But I have a question for our listeners. Imagine this. You're on a bus, traveling abroad. Suddenly someone asks, "Where are you from?" How do you answer?
Exactly. That's why today's lesson is special. We'll help you talk about your hometown in English. Simple words, clear examples, real conversations.
Before we start, remember, learning English is a journey. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need courage. Done is better than perfect.
So, if you're new here, subscribe to Miss English Channel. Stay with us until the end. We'll practice together and share useful phrases. Okay, Emily, let's create a scene. Imagine it's evening. You're in a cafe. Soft jazz music is playing. The waiter asks, "Where are you from?" I smile and say, "I'm from Hanoi. It's the capital of Vietnam." Then I describe something simple. It's a busy city with motorbikes, lakes, and delicious street food.
Great example. Notice the structure, I'm from plus city. Then add one or two details. That makes your answer interesting.
Let's give more samples. I'm from Paris. It's famous for the Eiffel Tower. Or, I'm from Cairo. It has the Nile River.
Vocabulary check. The word famous, it means well-known. Synonym is popular. Example, pizza is famous in Italy.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm from London. It's famous for Big Ben.
Your turn? Say it aloud. Don't just think, speak. Your voice makes it real.
Paul, can I share a personal story?
Please do. Stories make everything more alive.
When I was a teenager, I met a tourist in my town. He asked me, "What is this place like?" I was nervous, but I said, "It's small, but warm. People are friendly." His smile showed me that simple words are enough.
That's powerful, friends. Remember this, your hometown is not just geography. It's memories, feelings, and people. Share it simply from your heart.
Let's learn some phrases to describe. It's a small town. It's a big city. It's quiet. It's busy.
Quick micro-teaching. The opposite of quiet is noisy. Example, my street is noisy at night.
Repeat with me. My hometown is quiet.
Now try this. My hometown is noisy. Say it out loud.
Good. Let's make a fun dialogue. I'll be Emily, a traveler. You be Paul, a local. Ready?
Always ready. Go ahead.
Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from Toronto. It's a big city in Canada.
Oh, what is it like?
It's modern and multicultural. People from many countries live there.
Perfect. Notice how Paul added two details, modern and multicultural. Listeners, can you think of two words for your hometown?
Write them in the comments. Sharing makes learning fun.
Let's try another short role play. This time with emotions. Imagine you're proud. Say, "I'm from Osaka. It's famous for food."
Now imagine you're shy. Say, I'm from a small village. It's quiet, but beautiful.
Emotions change the meaning even with the same words. That's cinematic. You can almost hear the heartbeat in your voice.
Emily, I love that. Language is not only words, it's feeling.
Exactly. And mistakes? They're normal. If you say, "I'm from Tokyo" instead of "I'm from Tokyo," it's okay. People still understand.
Motivation tip. Action creates confidence. Speak first, correct later.
Let's give some useful vocabulary for describing towns.
Okay, coastal, near the sea. Example, Da Nang is a coastal city.
Historic, with old buildings or history. Example, Rome is historic.
Industrial, many factories. Example, Detroit is industrial.
Tourist-friendly, many visitors come. Example, Bangkok is tourist-friendly.
Let's pause. Listeners, repeat one sentence with your town. Say, my town is coastal. Or, my town is green.
Paul, have you noticed how describing your hometown is also describing yourself?
Yes, it's identity. When you say, I'm from New York, it's fast. People imagine you are fast too.
That's so true. So be proud of your roots. They are part of your story.
Emily, shall we play a quick game?
Yes, a guessing game. I'll describe, and listeners, you try to guess the city. Ready?
Go ahead.
This city has a big red bridge. It's famous for fog and tech companies.
That's easy. San Francisco.
Good. Another. This city has canals and gondolas. It's romantic.
Venice.
Friends, do you see? Just one or two details can paint a picture.
Exactly. That's how you talk about your hometown, too.
Let's give listeners a chance. Describe your town with one detail in the comments. We'll read them and reply.
Yes, and don't worry if your sentence is short. Short is powerful.
Repeat after me. I'm from plus place. It's plus detail.
That's your golden formula.
Okay, Paul, shall we expand with culture tips?
Sure. For example, in some countries, people say, I come from place, and others, I'm from place. Both are correct.
And in casual talk, people often add small words. Well, I'm from Madrid. Or actually, I'm from Seoul.
Those small words make it sound natural.
Let's practice with a mini exercise. Listeners, repeat. Actually, I'm from Seoul.
And now, well, I'm from Madrid.
See? Simple words, big difference.
Emily, this is fun. I think our listeners are already building confidence.
Yes, and remember, even if you learned one phrase today, you are improving.
Let's continue in the next part with idioms, culture stories, and more vocabulary.
Welcome back, friends. Let's dive deeper into how to talk about your hometown in English. This is where we add colors and feelings.
Emily, I remember when I first moved abroad. People always asked me, where are you from? At first, I gave short answers, but later, I learned to share little stories.
Stories connect people. Instead of just saying, I'm from Manila, you can add, it's busy, but I love the street markets. That makes people curious.
Exactly. And you don't need many words. Just one sentence can open the door to a long conversation.
Let's try some examples. I'm from Mexico City. It's noisy, but full of life.
Or, I'm from Nairobi. It's green and sunny.
Your turn, listeners. Think of your hometown. Choose two adjectives. Say them out loud now.
Don't worry if they sound simple. Simple words are powerful.
Let's practice vocabulary with more detail.
Countryside. Area outside cities. Example, I grew up in the countryside. Synonym is rural.
Downtown. City center. Example, my school is downtown. Synonym is city center.
Suburbs. Areas around a city. Example, they live in the suburbs. Synonym is outskirts.
Landmark. Famous building or place. Example, the Eiffel Tower is a landmark. Synonym is monument.
Neighborhood. Area where people live. Example, my neighborhood is quiet. Synonym is district.
Repeat after me. My neighborhood is quiet.
Now change it. My neighborhood is busy. Great.
Okay, Paul, let's add an idiom. Home sweet home. It means no matter where you go, your home feels special.
I love that. Another idiom, there's no place like home. It shows pride and comfort in your hometown.
Listeners, practice with me. There's no place like home.
Excellent. You can use these when someone asks you about your town.
And remember, describing your hometown is also a way to show who you are.
Yes. For example, if you say, I'm from Berlin, it's artistic and modern, people will imagine you enjoy creativity.
If you say, I'm from a small village, it's peaceful, People imagine you value quiet and nature.
That's why sharing about your hometown is not only language practice, but also building connection.
Let's do a role play again. I'll be the traveler. Paul, you're the local.
Okay,
Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Sydney. It's coastal and sunny.
Wow. What do people do there?
Many people love surfing and outdoor activities.
Great. Listeners, can you try this with your town? Imagine a traveler asks you, answer with one detail about activities.
For example, I'm from Rio. People love football.
Or I'm from Seoul. People love karaoke.
Say it out loud now.
Motivation tip. Don't wait for perfect English. Start small. Even one word is better than silence.
That's the 1% rule. One small step every day creates big progress.
Paul, do you remember the first time you explained your hometown in English?
Yes, I was in Japan. A student asked me, "Where are you from?" My heart was beating fast. I said, "I'm from Chicago. It's cold but beautiful in winter." His smile gave me confidence.
That's such a good reminder. Even if your answer is short, people appreciate your effort.
Let's give a quick practice set.
Repeat after me. I'm from Bangkok. It's hot and colorful.
I'm from Istanbul. It's historic and beautiful.
I'm from Cape Town. It's coastal and sunny.
Good job. Say one with your own town now.
Friends, let's extend with culture. In many English conversations, people often ask follow-up questions.
Yes, like, "Oh, really? What's it like there?" Or, "Wow, I've never been there. What's special?"
So, practice answering. Give one special thing. Example, it's famous for food, or it has mountains.
This makes conversation flow naturally.
And don't worry if your vocabulary is limited. Your smile, your tone, your eyes, they speak too.
Emily, I think we should add a mini challenge.
Good idea. Challenge time. Listeners, describe your town in 3 words. Write them in the comments.
For example, big, noisy, friendly.
Or small, green, calm.
We'll read them and cheer for you.
And maybe we'll feature some in our next episode.
That's exciting!
Let's wrap up with a short summary. Talking about your hometown is easy. Step 1, say, I'm from plus place. Step 2, add one detail. Step 3, share a feeling or activity.
That's the golden formula. Simple, clear, memorable.
And remember, even if you only remember one phrase today, you're improving.
Motivation comes after action. Speak first, confidence will follow.
So friends, your homework is simple. Comment one sentence about your hometown. We want to hear your story.
Subscribe, share this video, and keep practicing with us. Your journey matters.
Thank you for joining Miss English Channel today. We believe in you.
And we'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up.
Because there's no place like home.
Exactly. Goodbye, everyone.